Kit Williams, Fayetteville City Attorney. The HMR tax can be expanded to match state law and to receive taxes from campgrounds and other institutions like that, if in fact that's what the City Council wants to do. So I asked the A&P Commission if they wanted to make a recommendation about that. They have not recommended that. They did follow another one of my recommendations, something I actually am recommending, which is to require that all the HMR taxpayers submit forms promptly and completely, so that, because we have been having problems with some institutions not returning the forms.
And when you say other sources for HMR, what are we talking about? You say campgrounds? What would be some other, like if I own a rental property, am I going to be subject to that?
Could be houses if they are rented for less than 30 days. Anytime it's over 30 days, then the HMR tax would not apply.
And HMR tax is currently 2%?
It's 2%, 1% going to the A&P Commission, and another percent for the parks, which goes to the city's park department.
Of course, the city is having some financial struggles this year as they put together their budget. Would this then, I guess, help? Would this go to general revenue, or this would go to HMR? So it wouldn't even go to the city, would it?
Well, 1% would go to the Parks Department, and they can use that for maintenance and construction. So certainly that would helps the parks maintain the city parks in as good a shape as we'd like to see them.
Do you have any idea what kind of revenue this would be producing potentially?
I doubt if we're really missing all that much. You just never know, and part of it is just one of fairness, that if these other institutions are actually renting homes in a commercial way, in a commercial manner, then they should be paying like hotels and motels.
You mentioned that this is kind of mirrors state law, or state law enables this. Previously, caterers, for example, were not taxed with HMR, but now they are.
State law was changed in the past, both for the restaurants as well as motels, and we did mirror state law when it came to the restaurants to include caterers, because in the past you used to have an actual restaurant establishment with a certain number of seats before you had to pay the HMR tax. That got changed by state law, and so we also changed our city ordinance and have been collecting from caterers for many years now.
Thank you very much.